doing there?
What? Who's that?
It's me, VoiceOver. The voice of reason and better crafting choices.
Better crafting choices? What's wrong with this?
Well, if you're happy making stuff out of a cat food box, then that's fine. But why not introduce yourself to the wonderful world of XPS Foam?
XPS Foam? Sounds kind of expensive.
Please don't make another joke. No, not expensive at all. It's affordable and versatile. Would you like me to show you what it can do?
Okay, I'm intrigued. Let me see what this foam can do then.
Chris, what on earth are you doing now?
Jesus Christ, will you stop doing that? I bought some XPS foam like you said I should, and now I'm gonna cut it.
Garden shears? Really? If you want to cut XPS foam, the best thing to use is a knife. Get one now. Yes, it looks much better. But hang on a minute. Can I just have a quick look at that knife?
The knife? Yeah, of course.
That knife looks a little rusty and blunt. A sharp knife is essential. A dull one tears, leaving rough edges and frustration. Keep your blade sharp for smooth, precise cuts. If you're interested in doing curved shapes or more intricate shapes, then you can still use a sharp knife. However, in the future you may want to invest in a hot wire cutter. Hold it right there. Not all glues are created equal. PVA glue works well but takes time to dry. Hot glue and contact adhesive are faster alternatives.
But this stuff isn't sticky.
Pin it together while it dries. You can use cocktail sticks, pins, even small nails to hold it in place until it's set. I see you're trying to add some texture to that there, Chris.
What, you saying I shouldn't add texture to the foam now?
Oh no, you've got completely the wrong end of the stick. You absolutely should. Using a pen, a pencil, even a ball of aluminium foil that can add some texture to the foam, it textures like an absolute dream.
Come on, good it is, though. I don't need any fancy tools.
No fancy tools required. Just some creativity, imagination, and some good old-fashioned patience. No, stop.
What now?
I wouldn't use spray paint on XPS foam.
Okay, well, I'm just going to do it anyway and see what happens. Alright? There. Fine.
Take a closer look, Chris.
Wait, what?
Most spray paints contain solvents which actually melt XPS foam. If you're not sure, try on a test piece first.
Yeah, okay, you were right. It wasn't what I was going for at all, but it does look kind of cool.
Yes, the good folks have good enough scenery to use that for tarmac before, or could even be used for an alien hive world.
So then, what should I have done instead?
To seal the foam for a solid painting base, mix PVA glue with black paint, and that'll seal it and prime it at the same time.
So you're saying I can't use spray paint and I have to prime it before I do anything? What if I just want to have a weathered look to the building?
Slap the paint on and let the absorbency of the foam do the work for you. It's fun to experiment. Chris, are you in a small unventilated area trying to use a hot wire cutter and sand a piece of foam at the same time?
No? Why?
Sanding foam creates dust. Melting foam creates fumes. You don't want either of that nasty stuff in your lungs, do you? Always do it in a well-ventilated area or even wearing a covering on your face. No, not your hands. No.
Thanks, voiceover guy. My lungs feel clear already.
Stop right there, it's not the One Ring, it's a piece of foam. A single sheet is affordable and will last you for ages.
Alright, fine, I get it.
Ah, but did you know that foam comes in different thicknesses for different projects?
So you mean I should use different things as a foam for different things? Is that right?
Absolutely spot on. 6mm foam perfect for details, 10mm for walls, 20mm for basing, and 30 and 50mm for larger things like rocks and cliffs.
I know what to do now.
With XPS foam, the possibilities are endless. Cut smart, glue carefully, and always work safely. You're ready to craft like a pro.
already. Look at it. Isn't it amazing? Thanks, voiceover. You're the best.
So are you going to subscribe to the channel?
I already have.
Well, there you have it, folks, your complete guide to conquering the wonderful world of XPS Foam. Thanks to the support of viewers like you, the channel can continue to bring fun and informative content straight to your screen. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing, leaving a like, or even joining the Patreon to unlock exclusive content. And remember, tools and materials purchased through the affiliate links in the description help keep this channel crafting. Until next time, everybody, keep crafting, and remember, foam isn't just foam, it's potential. Now that you're armed with the wonders of XPS Foam, why not take the next step? There's a world of simple and marvelous projects awaiting you, perfect for honing your craft and impressing your friends. From crumbling ruins to modular masterpieces, you'll find it all right here at Good Enough Scenery. So, roll up your sleeves and dive in. Your next adventure in terrain building awaits.